Morning students. Today is the last module we are doing for this chapter, that is trigonometric identities. I hope you have understood how to prove the sums in the last class. Today also I will show you some sum how to prove. There are different kind of varieties of sums are there. If you want to practice, if you want to score good marks means on this particular, you have to practice lot from other book also and from this book also. Today, one question I've taken from exercise 18, that 23.23.1, that root over what is given plus 1 plus sine a by 1 minus sine a equals to tan a plus sec a. So what I did at LHS, in this kind of question, when the root will be given, that time you do just with the rationalizing denominator. So what I've done over here, see, rationalizing denominator means what? 1 plus sine, same thing is written. What you have done, rationalizing denominator means what will be having the denominator, that will be the opposite sign over here. I've done the same thing. Sine a plus sine a into sine a plus sine a will be sine plus 1 plus sine a whole square. 1 plus sine a plus 1 plus sine a, that will be 1 plus sine square a whole square. And 1 minus, this will be a minus b, a plus b, that is coming 1 minus sine square a. Then from here, expect the root over is coming from here. This I have not written the root. Why? As because here is a given square and is also given square. Under the square, what will come? It will be taken out the single part, that is 1 plus sine a divided by cos a. See, in the next part, what I have done, I can easily divide this one. Suppose if I write down, just showing you one example, 1 by a plus 1 by b. If I take a LCM, what will be? AB, that will be b plus a. I've written over here, see. Then opposite I can write in also. See, b by AB, b by AB. Okay. From here also I can, and from here also one. Ultimately the same value will come same only. Same here also, what I've done from here, I have just a division part I've done. 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. Then sin 1 by cos a is written what? Sec a, and this is written what? Sin a by cos a is written what? Tan a. Then hence proof that LHS equals to RHS. Okay. Next we'll do one more sum. Next is coming question number 25 Roman 2. What is given? Sec to the power 4a minus tan to the power 4a equals to 1 plus 2 tan square a. That what does it mean? See, I can easily break down this tan sec square a whole square minus tan square a whole square. From here I have written what? A square minus b square is a formula. A plus b, a minus b. Again from here, see, we know that the sec square a, what is the value? What is the value of sec square a? Sec square a equals to 1 plus tan square a. I can easily write it down. See, I have written the same part over here only. And same case also, in place of sec square a, what I have written? 1 plus tan square a. In this bracket, this one and this one cancelling out, this is plus and this is minus. Now what is the remaining? 1 plus tan square a, tan square a, 2 tan square a. Then see what is coming, see, with the right hand side, that means LHS is equals to RHS coming. Okay. Next, one more sum. This is very important. This is a good sum also. This kind of, see, there are this cosec theta minus sin theta into sec theta minus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta equals to 1. See, what I have done, I told you simple language, that in the very first of this chapter only, you just break in the simple form. Simple form, see, I made the cosec into sin, sec into cos, and this one sin by cos and cos by sin. After that, what I have taken from here, I have taken the LCM. I have taken the LCM. After taking LCM, see what is given? 1 minus sin square a by sin theta. I can easily have written over here 1 minus cos square theta, but why I have not written? I have to just show you that how it came the square part. Okay. Next we are coming, see, after crossing also, see this value. This will be sin square theta plus cos square theta by cos theta sin theta. Now again, see, from here, in place of sin 1 minus sin square theta, easily we can write down cos square theta by sin theta, and here also 1 minus cos square theta by sin cos theta. This will be 1 sin square theta plus cos theta. We know the value of identities, that is 1. From here, this square and this 1 cos is cancelling out. Then what is the remaining? Sin cos theta, and over here sin theta. Again from here I have written for sin square theta. Then from here, what I have written, see, Sine square and this this sine and square is cancelling out. Then what is the remaining from here? Only cos theta into sine theta. See, written cos theta into sine theta into 1 by cos theta into sine theta. This is and this is cancelling out easily. Okay, this and this part is cancelling out easily. Now from here, see, 1 into 1, the value is coming what? 1. That LHS is equals to RHS. I hope you have understood this part. See, that LHS is equals to RHS coming. Okay, next, the very important part. One question in the first, when I am going to explain this chapter also, I have told that time some part I have told that you will see that some question will be there, LHS and RHS both you have to solve. This is the question I have told you in the exercise we will be doing, you will get it. From here LHS I have written, see, LHS were written, sec I have divided, I have broken down in 1 by cos. I have told no, every time you see you break down in a simple form. Then tan is also coming, sine by cos, and this is written, what is written over here. Next from here, see, I have taken the LCM. Cos A will be cos A. This will be what? 1 plus sine A and minus 1. This will reciprocate cos A by 1 plus sine A minus 1 by cos A. Now it is coming what? Cos square A minus. Again I have taken LCM from here. See, from here what is coming? See, cos square. How it is cos square A came? See, this cos and this cos will coming what? Cos square A minus what will be? Minus bracket in 1 plus sine. Why? Because this is here, cross multiply, that will be 1 plus, means 1 cos 1 into sine, 1 plus sine is coming 1 plus sine, that is only cos in, sorry, cos into 1 plus sine is coming this one. Now from here I have written 1 plus sine. Now opening the bracket, see, minus, and this will be minus, this is cancelling out, minus sine square A and minus sine A. From here I have taken the minus sine A common. Then from here sine A plus 1, and in down is also 1 plus sine A plus 1, same thing, and cos A. This is and this is cancelling out. Then from here minus sine A and cos A, what I can write, minus tan A. Okay, next is coming RHS. Also I done the same part, same thing in the same pattern also. You will see that I am not explaining so much details in this. The same what I have done in the left hand side, same thing is done in the RHS also. But here also, see, the value is also coming what? See, after cancelling out also is coming what? Minus sine A by cos A. What is coming? Tan A minus tan A. See, LHS is minus tan A, R is also minus tan A, that is coming LHS equals to RHS. Hope you have understood this particular sum. Okay, I have told you many sums that you will be both the sides you have to break up. Okay, next one more question. This is the last question we will be doing. It's a very easy sum. This kind of questions might be, you will be get confused also what kind of question is given. This nothing to worry. See what is given. If sec theta plus tan theta equals to m and sec theta minus tan theta equals to n, prove that mn equals to 1. See, solution I've written, mn equals to 1 written, putting the value of m and n. I've just put down the value. Now from here a plus b, a minus b, see, I've written a plus b minus, what is the formula? A square minus b square. Down from here, then what you can write down? Sec square a theta minus tan square theta. Then we know that the value at sec square theta minus tan square theta value is equals to 1. Okay, see, this identities part we have done, this formula. Just showing you one more time. See, this is the value, sec square theta or a minus tan square a equals to 1. And here also the same thing came, that sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. I have to. This LHS equals to RHS scheme. I hope you have understood. Okay, do your work properly on time, follow the online classes properly, each and every subjects what the teachers are giving and doing, also try to do it in the copy only. Okay, have a nice day, goodbye.